This is also Wakabayashi from Zen Ideas. I'm all about helping nonprofit organizations build their digital capacity. Now, today I want to talk about email marketing strategy for nonprofit organizations. Last week I received this email from my clients. So this is an email about youth employment training program. Now the problem of this email is they just paste a JPEG image. So it's not even PDF file. Now this looks okay on the desktop, but this youth program is for Generation X, aged between 15 to 29 years old, and most likely they're going to be using mobile devices. So when you look at using a mobile device, it's not easy to read. So we got to fix that. Now, I want to quickly go over the workflow of email marketing. So usually you send email blast and you create landing page. So in this case, their donation campaign. And the landing page usually have some contact form so that they can register or sign up or download some ebook or even purchase something. And you can use social media or Google Ads to drive the traffic to our landing page as well. And then after the user register your form, you should create some thank you page as well. So this is kind of basic workflow for email marketing. So today's focus is, so I'm going to show you how my client can fix the email. So the creating email template is super easy. I'm going to be using constant contact and then creating landing page. Once again, so landing page is pretty easy. So let's dive in. Okay, so let's redesign their email template here. So I'm using constant contact, and the left hand side is that my client sent out, and unfortunately this is JPEG, so I cannot really copy and paste the text. So so let's say actually I don't really like text size, has to be at least 16. So select that and then 16 here. I like to be a little bigger, actually it's easier to read. And then color to be the black, so that's probably good. Okay, and then I'm gonna just put the fake text here, so something like that. And then make it bold here, and as a matter of fact maybe bigger here, a little bigger. All right, and yeah, so let's add I'm going to just copy this, and I'm going to just duplicate this section, and then here I can just type who should participate. And again, so I'm going to just put some fake text here. Double point. Okay, now let's change that. Actually I gotta go design here and then change black. Okay, here too, actually maybe change that too. Doesn't have to be bold text. Okay, I'm gonna just give extra space between the bullet, and here the call to action. Once again, I mean, you can change that color to your different branding color here if you want to. So once again, so you can change that here, so matching to your specific branding color. All right, and here's the content. So this is good. And then you should have call to action. Again, like you gotta have like your logo and your sponsor's logo as well. And here's a call to action button here. So I like to make it a little bit bigger. And then text should be contact us today, right? And again, so you can add a web page. So you should have a landing page with it. So you can put the landing page here. You know, the landing page.org, for example, and insert, right? So this is pretty good. It's pretty simple and one big call to action. If you are promoting your programs and services, I would like to use the shared social media shared link here. Most of the email marketing tool has that. So let's go to edit here, and then here share on your readers page, and so that people can share through Facebook or Twitter and maybe LinkedIn, like that. And you can probably add another text here. You know, to share, something like that. So let's take a look at the preview here. So once again, so this is a youth program. They're targeting at the age between 19 and 29 years old, and most likely they're going to be using a mobile device. So has to be mobile friendly. Okay, so little tiny things, something like that. You know, text should be reduced so that it fits in one line. All right. Yeah, so you want to probably reduce back to maybe like 36. All right. And then yeah, that looks better. So your template doesn't have to be fancy, you know, the message just should be clear. And then the most important part is you have a clear call to action and you create a landing page for it. Okay, so let's redesign their landing page. On the left hand side is the existing landing page, and I'm gonna create a new landing page. So I'm gonna be just fast forwarding this section while I'm creating the landing page, and so that you don't get bored. By the way, I'm using WordPress and the Elementor plugin. Okay, let's look at mobile design. Ooh, that looks really awful. We gotta fix that. So let's fix the mobile layout. Alright, so let's take a quick look of this mobile design of the landing page. So I got just one image and title and a little blurb, and I just put start date because I think they forgot putting in the date. I think that's the most important element. And then details of the program and also who is eligible for this program. And if you have some testimonials from the previous program, definitely you should put that. But if this is a new program, you won't be able to do it. And then registration form, name, email, I've just put the age here. And then of course you can add more field right here. And on the bottom here, because this particular client, so they want a participant to email or call So I make this section sticky on the bottom. So when they scroll up and down, so always this section is gonna stick. The reason I put on the bottom is for the mobile user, so they can email or they can make phone call just using their thumb, right? And easy. This is the right location to put buttons. All right. If you don't know, just quickly. So if you make use a mail to tag, and then if you add column and add email address, you can just directly you can create email link. And also call. So it's called use tel tag. So tel tel column and put the phone number. You can just tap to make a phone call. So just so you know. So let's take a look at with my mobile phone. I sent the email to myself, so here it is. And then so here is the detail, and here is the call to action. So contact us today. And here is the landing page, all the information here. And I put yeah, here is the testimonials. I got 2 of those. And here's the registration form. And here's down below here. Here's 2 call to action. So if I tapped email us, it should open up the email. Go back and then try a call us button. And here's phone number, so you can tap to call. So thank you for watching today, and I hope this helps. So the creating a template is not that difficult, and the good thing about creating template is once you create it, you can reuse for your next event, and you can save lots of time. So once again, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please write down below the comment, and if you have better idea, please share with us. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.